जो आपका हीरो है वो ऐसा रहेगा, बट इन रियलिटी इफ यू मीट दैट पर्सन you're like ये तो एकदम ऑर्डिनरी सा है. So she was like, अच्छा मुझसे मिलने के बाद वो इमेज क्या वो कंसोलिडेट हुई है, खराब हो गई है? I said नहीं, it has consolidated. एक बार तत्व वड़ा, I said वड़ा कहाँ से आ गया? आए दिख रहा है ना लोगों को. She randomly used to call people, इधर आओ, तत्ववादी बोल के दिखाओ. So that was very funny.
well, काजोल और रेणुका सहानी जैसे इतने खूबसूरत अदाकाराओं के साथ काम करना कौन नहीं चाहता, और ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसे ही दिल की मुराद या ये कहे मन की मुराद एक ऐसे खास कलाकार की पूरी हुई जो कि चाहते थे अपने आइकन के साथ काम करना. हम बात कर रहे हैं वैभव तत्वड़ी की, जिनको आपने देखा इन द किरदार ऑफ रविंद्रो ओनली इन त्रिभंगा. तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं वैभव को और जानते हैं उनके बारे में, उन्हीं की जुबानी कि वो क्या शेयर करते हैं मेरे यानी विशाखा पांडित के साथ. फर्स्टली वेलकम टू टेली टक्कर. एंड आपकी मूवी, आपका सीरीज, काफी सारी चीजें सुनी है आपके बारे में, क्या बताना चाहेंगे फैंस को अपने करियर के बारे में?
So first of all, yes, the kind of response that we are getting for Tribang, it's really overwhelming. And जैसे आपने कहा कि मैं मराठी और हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में predominantly मराठी में काम किया था मैंने. So I after my engineering I started doing Marathi films. So I've done 8 to 10 films as lead in Marathi. And हिंदी में मैंने I guess 3-4 फिल्में की है. I started from Hunter, then I did Bajirao Mastani, Lipstick Under My Burkha, then Manikarnika happened, and now I just completed Tribhang. So the journey till now in Hindi has been slow and steady, and I just completed. तो काफी लोग पूछ रहे थे कि मराठी में आप लीड करते हैं तो हिंदी में कब करेंगे? So I guess 2020 gave me the answer. I just completed a movie that will be my first movie as lead in Hindi, and that will be directed by National Award-winning director Mr. Makarand Mane. And opposite me, I have Anjali, who's again a National Award-winning actor. So, दो National Award-winning personalities के साथ काम करना was a great experience. So, I'm really looking forward for that movie as well. And the kind of response that we are getting for Tribhanga is phenomenal. It was a wonderful experience working with Kajol ma'am, Renuka Sahani ma'am, Tanvi Azmi ma'am. उनके साथ बाजीराव मस्तानी में भी काम किया था. That's why we already shared a good rapport. लेकिन काजल मैम के साथ पहले बार काम कर रहा था. So it was a wonderful experience. And the kind of response that we are getting, मैं इतना मुझे लगा था लोगों को पसंद आएगी, लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा सराहेंगे was something even I had not expected.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly, because you seem really very excited about your, the venture, like Touchwood. It's good that you got very, very great response. But अगर मैं पूछूं as an actor, what was an X factor जिसने आपको ये series को, इस movie को हाँ करने पे मजबूर कर दिया?
The kind of respect and admiration I have for Renuka ma'am. So the moment I got a call from a team saying that she really, really wants you to be a part of this project, 99% I was going to say yes. And then when I came to know about the cast and crew, and when I heard the script, I found the role quite challenging because that is unlike me. So once I asked Renuka ma'am, "You sure I'll be able to pull this off?" Like she's like, "Yeah, I can completely see my Robin Roy in you." I said, "Then it's okay." So I loved the script, and I could, after reading the script, I had that sense of relatability. When you're able to relate to the story, you're able to relate to the characters. I think that's the point when the writer has done a good job. This is what I think.
Okay, so tell me one thing very honestly, because as you just said that this was the first experience working with Kajol ma'am. How was that break the ice moment? Like was there a break the ice moment between the two of you?
90s kids are a big fan of Kajol ma'am. All the 90s kids. So I went up to her and I told her that, "Ma'am, I won't say I'm a Kajol fan. I'm a Kajol loyalist." So she started laughing. And I think that was the moment we immediately, like, the ice was broken immediately, I feel. Because somehow I was so comfortable with her. She used to make sure that everyone around her is comfortable, and she has that warmth. There's no pretense. She is just the way she is. मतलब जो दिल में है वही जुबान पे रहेगा मैम का. It's not दिल में कुछ और है, जुबान पे कुछ और रहेगा. और मैंने, I don't know, I just told her, I don't know why I said that, but I was like, people say that you should never meet your heroes. And I was like, ये ऐसा क्यों बोल दिया तूने उनको? But then, because you know what, आपके एग्जाम में रहता है ना कि जो आपका हीरो है वो ऐसा रहेगा, but in reality if you meet that person you're like ये तो एकदम ordinary सा है. So she was like, अच्छा मुझसे मिलने के बाद वो इमेज क्या वो consolidate हुई है, खराब हो गई है? I said नहीं, it has consolidated. और मुझे और एक चीज याद है, शी फाउंड माय सरनेम वेरी इंट्रीगिंग. तो मेरा सरनेम है ही थोड़ा अलग. Majority of the people they pronounce it in the wrong way. It's Vaibhav Tatvavadi. So I've heard Tatwadi, Tatvadi.
It's Tatvavadi.
Tatvavadi.
Vadi. I was saying Tatwadi.
I'm used to it. एक बार तत्व वड़ा, I said वड़ा कहाँ से आ गया? आए दिख रहा है ना लोगों को. So she was like, she randomly used to call people, इधर आओ, तत्ववादी बोल के दिखाओ. So that was very funny.
So in short, she was using your name as a tongue twister there on the set.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, tell me one thing honestly, that you have been on the both sides, on the Marathi cinema front also, and then on the Hindi cinema front also. How different or how similar was it working in both cinemas?
Frankly speaking, I truly believe that at the end of the day, a filmmaker, he writes a story on the paper and he wants to project it on the screen. So then language doesn't become a barrier, because I would love to work in all the film industries. Like जितने भी languages मुझे पता है, like I'm Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, I would love to work in all these fields. So frankly speaking, I never found any kind of a difference per se, because now it's an Indian film. I feel it's Indian film industry. There's no more Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. Because of the OTT platforms, I know it's an Indian movie. जब मैं खोलता हूँ उसे तब समझ में आता है, अच्छा that's Marathi, oh that's Hindi, oh that's Telugu, that's Tamil. So I truly believe in this, and I never found any difference, because technicians जो थे वो वैसे भी सारे इंडस्ट्री में काम करते थे, like the cinematographers and these people. I guess because of OTT platforms, actors भी काफी आजकल मतलब क्या कहते हैं कि ये इंडस्ट्री वाले वो इंडस्ट्री में भी काम कर रहे हैं. So I guess it's a wonderful space as an actor to be in the film industry right now.
So did you get any feedback for your acting? Because seeing your work on a television or maybe a movie में वो अलग बात है, लेकिन Kajol ma'am was seeing it virtually, visually there in front of you. Did she give you a very direct feedback about your work, about your craft?
Yeah, and the best part was like a few days back I got a call from our creative producer Siddharth Malhotra sir, and he was like, I was just having a word with Kajol and she was like, Vaibhav has done such a wonderful job, I want to call him. So I was like, great.
But then did she give you any compliment about your work? Did she criticize or maybe help you?
As far as I know, she's not in the country right now. So once she's back in Mumbai, I guess we'll definitely have a party together. At that time, we'll talk about it.
Okay, how was the rehearsing sessions on the sets? Because I'm sure आप लोग rehearse करते होंगे अपने थोड़े बहुत scenes, सब लोग अपने zone में, अपने eras में. वो सब कैसा था? Like how was the environment on the sets?
It was great, because Renuka ma'am used to make sure that the rehearsals are done properly. Because she being an actor, she knows the importance of the rehearsals. So वो होते थे, and कई दफा तो बहुत हंसी छूट जाती थी, because Kajol ma'am is seen in this film like never before. Kajol ma'am never before, because वो गालियाँ दे रही है ये सब, and this is the first movie in which she's using those words. So कई दफा तो काजल मैम को हंसी छूट जाती थी. फिर we used to pull Renuka ma'am's leg. We used to be like, Renuka ma'am, ये गाली कैसे बोलनी है, बताओ Renuka ma'am, आप बोल के दिखाओ. And just to like, I am not gonna say it, you do it. But it was great fun, because all the actors, they're such wonderful actors. Kawaljeet sir, Tanvi ma'am, then Kajol ma'am, all the star cast. It was wonderful rehearsing with them. It was wonderful working with them. So there was a lot of give and take, and that's the reason I feel when there's give and take, ultimately that chemistry, it's very much visible on screen. So if you're comfortable off screen, if that comfort will definitely show on the big screen or on the screen in this case.
Okay, so tell me one thing: when it came out, the fans responded to it, the fans reacted, and they loved it. What is the best feedback that you got? Like somebody from your very close-knit circle, जो बहुत मुश्किल है जिसको impress करना, उन्होंने कैसा feedback दिया आपके काम पे, आपकी craft पे?
My biggest critics are my family, so they're like, good job. I said, okay, that means I have done a decent job, for sure. Because that's how my family reacts. Yeah, it was good. Your role was good. You looked also nice. That's it. So getting compliments घर में is like a very big thing. So if वहाँ से आ गया, so then yes, something is right in this. But I really got some amazing compliments from the well-wishers. So I few people who belong to ISKCON, like my character is a Krishna भगवान का भक्त. So वहाँ से भी काफी अच्छे mails आए हैं, messages आ रहे हैं. So it's a good thing. Like And I was a bit skeptical because you know what, the character Robindro, he is on, like, he has left the materialistic world and he's walking on the path of spirituality. So my only concern was, when I'm saying the dialogues, it should feel that I mean it. It shouldn't look or it shouldn't sound fake. That was the biggest concern I had. But now looking at the like, considering the response that I'm getting, I'm really happy that okay, it must have worked the way Renuka ma'am wanted.
Okay, tell me one thing very honestly, as an actor, what is that X factor or what is that thing that you see in a role before you say a yes? So यहाँ तो Renuka ma'am was the X factor for you. But in reality, if I ask you, what is that thing that you see in a role to say yes, or maybe a genre that actually excites you? What is that you want to do ahead?
I think it's a very intuitive decision. You know, when you read a script, see, you will say yes or no according to your sensibilities, according to your likes and dislikes. So that is what happens. Of course, who's the director, which is the production house, that is definitely at the back of your mind whenever you take a decision. But I think when you read a script or when there's a narration happening, there's something intuitive that tells you yes, go ahead. Or there's something intuitive that might say everything is perfect, but I don't think we should do this. You know, the inner voice. I think I go by that. Having said that, the genre which is very close to my heart is romance. And my friends who have seen my Marathi movies, so they were constantly asking me, "यार, तो Hindi, you have done 3-4 movies. You have just started. ये गलत नहीं होगा हिंदी में. It's my initial stages in Hindi film industry. So they were asking me, when are you doing a lead in Hindi film, like in a Hindi movie? So I guess 2020 gave me the answer. I just completed a Hindi movie, my first Hindi movie as lead. And that is directed by National Award-winning director Mr. Makran Mane. And opposite me, again, I have another National Award-winning actor, Anjali Patil. So working with two National Award-winning personalities was a great experience. And again, as I said, the genre is something which is very close to my heart. So I'm really looking forward for that movie as well, which will release in mid-2021. So yes,
hoping for that one.
Yeah. So the answer to that is it's intuitive. It's an intuitive process. And then the other things come into the picture. Who's the producer? Who's the director? How is it going to be projected? Whether it's a theatrical release or it's an OTT release. ये बाकी चीजें हैं. But as an artist, you always have an inner voice. And
okay, so you just said about OTT. When do we get to see you on OTT platform? And you know, what kind of role would you want to play on OTT? Because OTT is a wide space. It's a huge space.
Yeah. So I just completed one web series for Sony Live. So it's in the crime genre, which is something which I'm not very familiar with. I have not explored that genre much, but through this web series, I've tried to explore it. So that will release, I guess, by February or March.
Okay, any parting words fans के लिए जो आप उनको कहना चाहेंगे?
The kind of response that I've got in Hindi film industry, I'm really happy. Because I'm used to Marathi film industry, and then this journey in Hindi film industry has also started. It is in the initial stages hai life ke Hindi film industry ke, so I just need the support of all the well-wishers, and really looking forward for more interviews with you. And it was wonderful talking to you. And if you have not watched Tribanga, kindly watch Tribanga only on Netflix.
Perfect. Thank you so much for joining with us. I wish you all the luck for the year 2021, and I hope कि जो 2020 में आपने first debut किया है as a lead, अब वो आप second, third, fourth, fifth भी करते रहें आगे.
Yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Good luck. Bye. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, and that was Vaibhav. Well, अगर आपने त्रिभंगा नहीं देखी है, then I think it's a must watch for you people, because Netflix पे ये movie out है और आप जाके जरूर देख सकते हैं. Kajol in the never seen before avatar. And also stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates for the Telly world. नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा कि कैसा लगा आपको ये त्रिभंगा की खास मेमोरीज जानकर. Until then, stay tuned.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.